Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tip. Today I am showing you an amazing microwave recipe, Karachi Halwa. No sweat, no ghee, no sugar syrup. Just 3 ingredients. Just mix and pop it into the microwave. Within 15 minutes our Bombay Halwa is ready. So let's get started. Into a microwave safe bowl, add 1 cup of corn flour and my cup measurement is 250 ml. You can use any cup but use the same cup to measure other ingredients as well. Next, add 3 cups of sugar. Do not reduce the quantity of the sugar as it will lose the glossy look. 4 cups of water. And stir it well till the sugar dissolves. Combine without any lumps. Add a pinch of organic food color, which is completely optional. Microwave for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, take it out and give a stir. Again pop it into microwave for 14 minutes. Stir in between every 2 minutes of interval. This is to make sure it's lump free. Now you can see your halwas turning glossy even without adding a drop of ghee. After 14 minutes, you will get the consistency exactly of a halwa. Finally adding half teaspoon of cardamom powder and some cashews. Give a good mix. Transfer it into a grease tray and leave it to cool for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, our yummy and mouth-melting Karachi or Bombay Halwa is ready. You can also do the same on a stove top, just that you need to continuously stir and takes longer time. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon to get notifications once a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching.